Okay, I want to show y'all this just in case you start having the same problem I did. I took a 2000 motor out of a Ford Focus 2000 automatic, put it in an 03 manual, spent like 10 days trying to figure out why I could not get this thing to fire. I ran it through the crankshaft test, tracked all my grounds down, everything. But let me show you. That is the crankshaft positioner housing bracket. Alright, this is the one from the automatic. This sensor sits straight in. That sensor sits on an angle. The flex plate are in two different places. Make sure you swap this bracket